suppose you have finished your pockets, your jettings, like so, and you want to reinforce this corner. Now, this is what you do. You go just in front of the corner. Don't go right into the corner, because just by going up and down, you're going to fray the fabric into the very corners, and that's not what you want. So all a D-tack does is it prevents the fabric from going like so around these corners and, you know, make the corners fray. So when you put a D-tack, it doesn't allow it to go any further than the D-tack. Now, then what you do is you draw a D shape, like so. And what you do is very simple. So I'm just going to make a knot for the purpose of this video, but usually you just don't make knots. And then what I'll do is I'll go up and down on top of this shape. And every time you can go either in front or behind the thread, but keep them consistent. So let's say we go behind it. So you go up, down, and then again you go up, down, and you're going to repeat this until you have the entire shape of the D. It's probably easier for me to hold it like so. So that's how you do a D-tack. Now, the reason why you go up and down is because by the time you have made your pockets, you have so many layers underneath one another that it's just simply not possible to stitch sideways like so. So you have to go up and down and create a D-tack like so. And now you know how to do a D-tack. When it comes to the D-tack, the main purpose of the stitch is to prevent the fabric from moving too much around the pocket corner. But it doesn't need to be a D shape. It can also be 2 rows. It can be 3 rows. It could be a square, a circle, as long as it fulfills the purpose of that stitch.